for airplane. B for balloons. C for cake. D for donkey. E for engine. F for fish. G for guitar. H for house. I for ink. J for juice. K for keys. L for leaf. M for mountain. N for nurse. O for onion. P for pencils. Q for question mark. R for rainbow. S for star. T for train. U for unicorn. V for vegetables. W for window. X for xenops. Y for yarn. Z for zigzag.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.